Yeah. Are you wet? It's raining. Yeah. Oh, I think it's stopping. It's all done. It's all done.
That's the rain from the house, Jade. You should go stand out.
Go get the mail. Yeah. You're all wet. Oh, there it goes. Whoa, look at you. You're wet. Mhm. You're going to go over there?
Wow, it cooled off really fast. It went from like over 100 degrees to like 80.
Whoa.
Robert?
Robert, you don't have to go to Robert. Now you just go out there and get wet. Whoa. Are you brave enough to go get mail? Yeah. Yeah.
No,
No?
not these folks.
Wow. Whoa. You're wet. Mhm. It's raining, Jade. Yeah, it's raining. In August. In 104-degree heat. It's raining. Yeah, did you get wet? Did it fall on your hair? Wow. Uh-oh, it stopped. It's done. It's all done. Oh, there it goes. Say bye. Look, kiss. Say see you. Say love you.